My young friends, what fascinates people today with regards to their deen is not how they should connect with Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and know whether they have fulfilled their purpose and objective in life. This doesn't concern them and interest them. All the fara'iz, the things that Allah has made compulsory upon a human being from the moment he becomes baligh, reaches the age of puberty. Have you carried out your prayer just like Allah has ordained? And if so, have you offered your prayer just like the Prophet ﷺ would offer his prayer? Do you discharge your zakat from your wealth every single day? Do you fast in the month of Ramadan? Have you performed your hajj? Things like this don't concern many people today.